When it comes to the electrical system in your Jeep, we tend to expect much more out of it than in any other type of car. Now, from additional off-road lights to winches, stereos, CB radios, and everything in between, all of these accessories can really put a high demand on your system. Now, thankfully, with just a few upgrades, your Jeep can be up to the task. Now, starting at the core of your Jeep's electrical system are the battery and alternator. Now, there are high output alternators available that can crank out the additional power needed to keep your battery supplied with plenty of clean, reliable power. And when it comes to your battery, a conventional battery like the one your Jeep came with from the factory may be okay for a while, but if you're demanding more out of it, especially if you've installed things like a self-recovery winch, you'll quickly wear that battery out. Now, upgrading to a heavy-duty sealed battery, like one from Optima or Odyssey, will give your Jeep's electrical system the storage capacity and output potential that it really needs. Now, sealed batteries like these use absorbed glass mat technology, or A.G.M for short, and can offer additional benefits as well. Because they're completely sealed, you don't ever have to worry about maintenance or topping off the battery like a conventional one. It also means you can mount the battery in just about any position, which can offer additional possibilities like mounting 2 batteries in a dual battery tray for additional electrical capacity in your Jeep. Now, one battery can run your winch or keep your fridge freezer going, and another can keep your Jeep running, which can be a real lifesaver, especially if you like doing any type of overlanding or off-road long-term adventures. Now, once your Jeep's electrical system is up to the task of running a bunch of accessories, before you start installing them, it's not a bad idea to have a rough plan in place for how many and what type of accessories you plan to add. Most light kits, onboard air pumps, and other accessories include wiring and switches, but before you go turning your dash into Swiss cheese by drilling a bunch of different size holes for different switches, take a look at some of the switches and switch panels available that can help keep your installs neat, organized, and professional looking. Now, other products like the Quadratec Extreme Duty battery terminals can help make adding accessories easy, giving you ample mounting location for power wires at the battery. And some complete kits, like the Painless Trail Rocker control system, make it easy to add additional accessories down the road and only require you to run a small group of wires from under the hood into your Jeep one time. Now, trust me, you'll really appreciate a well-done install later on if you ever need to swap out an accessory or diagnose a problem. Now, if you have any questions for one of our Jeep experts, simply shoot us an email to info@quadratec.com, give us a call at 800-745-2348, or live chat at quadratec.com. I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.